And today is another great day because today we are going to do a tutorial on this look that I did on Instagram, and I'm gonna put it right here.
It's not gonna be on me.
It's gonna be right here. And this is a look that I did on one of my friends. Her name is Rachel. She's my client. Everybody went crazy over this look, so I decided, hey, let's do a tutorial. And I asked everybody to give me 100 comments, and we made it. We made it, y'all. We want to say thank you to everybody who joined our giveaway. If you guys watched our recent YouTube video at Target, you already know that we were giving away a Shea Moisture skin care kit. And so today, as I do my tutorial, I wanted to announce the winner. I'm gonna go ahead and put this here so everybody can see what's going on. Okay, ready?
I know. So Miriam, you are the lucky winner of this beautiful package. African, your skin gonna be on point and ready for the summer. Hot girl summer. Period.
So guys, I'm gonna go straight into this tutorial. This is a look that I did on Instagram on my model Rachel, and it went viral. So guys, as you already know, I already did her eyebrows off camera. The reason why I did her eyebrows off camera is because I do have a eyebrow tutorial and I don't want to spend too much time on doing eyebrows. So if you guys want to know how I accomplish eyebrows like this, go ahead and watch this video right up here in this link above so that you guys can see the eyebrow tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and go straight into her face. I'm using the Nars foundation in the shade Macao. As you guys already know, Nars is one of my favorite foundations. It's super pigmented. It doesn't have too much orangey tones into it, and it's full coverage. By the way, you guys, can you guys comment down below your favorite foundations right now? I would love to know what's your favorite foundation and what shade you're using, because I want to transition into some new foundations. But so far, Nars is like one of my favorites. So I'm kind of sticking to it. And make sure you guys be careful when you guys are going around people's laces or your clients' laces or even yourself, because guys, lace is getting super expensive. For sure, you want to just take your time and make sure it's blended out really well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight into the concealer. I'm using my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I did go a slight bit lighter than I would normally do on Rachel's face, which I normally would use Tan Deep Sand, but I went lighter because I'm trying to accomplish this new look where it's giving me a very much highlighted under eye. So I went in with a shade a little bit lighter than I would normally go. By the way, you guys, comment down below as well your favorite concealers. I've heard of the Born This Way concealers. I don't know if they're really good. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please, please, please just let me know. And I was using this e.l.f. beauty blender to blend out Rachel's concealer, and I didn't really like the direction it was going. So I went in and I started to use my actual beauty blender, which I am coming out with pretty soon. So you guys stay tuned, and make sure you guys shop with us at itstheluxuryclub.com for all of our products, and you guys will see everything that we drop through there. Oh, and don't forget to follow our Instagram, The Luxury Club Beauty. Next, I'm going to use the AJ Crimson foundation palette. I'm using those two shades to go ahead and contour her nose and her cheeks and her forehead. When you are contouring, especially to get that snatched nose, you really need to take a small dome brush and take your time and blend out that nose and blend out your cheekbones and your forehead to give you like a snatched face. And the brush that I'm using is from the Luxury Club, which is one of my brush collections that I am coming out with pretty soon. I am gonna drop everything, guys. I know you guys have been waiting so long, but I've been working really hard to release these items, so I will be letting you guys know via Instagram and through all my social media panels when I do drop them. And I am using my beauty blender with the Laura Mercier translucent powder to go ahead and highlight under her eyes, her chin, and the top of her lips, the bridge of her nose, and her forehead. By the way, Rachel has me dying. We keep laughing every time I do her makeup. It's ridiculous. We can never take nothing serious because, oh my gosh, it's just terrible. To bronze, we're gonna go ahead and use the Fenty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami and Coco Naughty. And I noticed that it got a little too harsh, so I went in with her face powder with the big dome brush to kind of blend it out, and then I tried going back in with the bronzer because I didn't really like how it was, the direction it was really going. It was looking very patchy, but if you continue watching this video, you'll notice it started to blend right in. And then using the same Mocha Nani bronzer, I am going to use that as a eyeshadow, and that's going to help me define her eyes, and it's going to give her eyes definition so that when I do apply the lashes. Next, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Okay, first off, do not come for my nails, you guys. They were getting done. They are getting done, actually. Actually, they're done now, although, I mean, I've already recorded this video. But, guys, I had to get them done, so don't come for me, okay? Okay. Y'all know the girls be going through some struggles, but I'm taking my sweet time to do this wing. But my favorite liner is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's only $1, so I do recommend you guys to get it. Next, I'm going to use my 20-piece lash box set, which you guys can purchase on my website at itstheluxuryclub.com. It has 20 pairs of lashes. That's $1 per pair of lashes. And this is in the shade Billionaire. I took 2 of them and I stacked them together, and I used the multi-purpose glue that I also sell to apply them. And they dry so fast. And my glue is super sticky. So I don't recommend anything else but that, especially because I use it all the time and I can vouch for it. And I'm using my same pressed powder, and I'm going to dust off all the setting powder all over her face, and I use a continuous setting spray and set that in using the Glam highlighter, and I believe it's in the shade Sex on the Beach if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to highlight her cheeks, her chin, the top of her lip, and the bridge of her nose using the IT Cosmetics, and also I mixed it with the Maybelline Big Shot. And I also mixed it with some Urban Decay, I believe, mascara. And then I went ahead and did her mascara for her lashes. And for her lips, this is what everybody's been waiting for. I use Morphe from the Morphe Date Night lip liner. I think it's an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. And I mixed it with Definitely Black, or you can use Feline from MAC. And I went ahead and traced her lips. Use a Q-tip to blend every shade out, just so that I can have a seamless blend. By the way, you guys, red lips is becoming a very popular thing. Can you guys comment down below what red lipstick do you guys use? I want to change some of my lipsticks. I want to try different red lipsticks. So please, guys, do me a favor, help me out, help your girl out. Comment down below what red lipstick I should purchase this week. I really want to buy some new ones, because the one I'm using right now is the MAC. It's a MAC red lipstick. I believe it's in the shade Feel So Grand. And then I also use the Morphe Hotshot liquid lipstick on the inner corner. And then I also went in with the body shimmer from the Luxury Club, which I am releasing soon, since everybody's been asking for body shimmer. That's coming out soon, so stay updated on my Instagram platforms. And then I went in with a highlighter as well, that's coming soon as well. I will be launching everything. And then I went in with a Morphe brow gel on her brows, and guys, this is the look. I mean, this is it. Comment down below, how did you guys feel about this look? If this is the look that you guys are gonna come out with, or you're gonna try yourself. But overall, this is the look, sweetie, like, period. So guys, this is the look. It came out fantastic. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below, what did y'all think of this look? Do you think that you can accomplish this look? If you guys think that you can accomplish this look, y'all let me know down below. And if y'all want my girl Rachel back, make sure y'all comment down below. We want Rachel back, okay?
And this beat is on my Andie.
Period. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and add her Instagram down below so that you guys can follow her. And guys, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.